last Microsoft story, a lot of Microsoft news. Microsoft has teamed up with GameStop. I read this headline, and they signed a multi-year deal. I was thinking, oh, Microsoft came to save GameStop because they don't have those Microsoft stores anymore. Maybe they can do something with this footprint. There's all these GameStops out there, and we've been reporting for a long time on some of the troubles GameStop, has had and continues to appear to have going into the future. It's just a tough biz, man, with the physical hardware, the games, the discs, the trade-ins, the digital destruction of everything they've built. Well, this is a little less exciting than that. Apparently, this deal just means that GameStop is going to use Microsoft's cloud services as well as all their various products to better manage their stores, their employees. They're going to use Teams. They're going to have an entire Microsoft backbone within this multi-year strategic partnership to improve their functionality. Now, one piece that could help them out on the sales front is that store reps will be able to offer up Xbox All Access at select GameStop stores. And this, of course, is the thing where you can pay it off over time. You get the whole deal. You get the new console. You get the subscription, and you get access to all the games, right? And so maybe that's going to be appealing to people to have the opportunity to do that in-store. Maybe they would want to do that in-store. I don't know. Once people start going to stores again, I guess. Or if they can't for whatever reason, or they don't feel comfortable doing it through Microsoft's website directly, you now have a retail front that can offer that up. So anyway, it is the employees are also just going to go very Microsoft. They're going to be carrying Surface products. There's going to be a cohesiveness to it. You can see how this works for Microsoft, because if you do happen into a GameStop or onto their website, chances are you're going to be comparing Sony's product to Microsoft's product, next gen. And if Microsoft has any type of leg up from a branding perspective in the store, it may subconsciously persuade you. You'd be like, they're all carrying. Look at these guys with their Surface products.
Yeah, a couple Halo posters around.
I'm just saying, maybe they kind of got a little sneak attack over here.
Very subtle.
A subtle sneak attack. But as far as saving the 30,000 store associates that GameStop has, as far as saving the business, I don't know. I don't know if that's really going to do it or not, because, as well as gaming has been doing in the midst of a global pandemic, it's been able to do so well because it hasn't required the traditional interaction necessary that other businesses have required.
Yeah.
You can do it from home completely. So anyway, we'll see what happens, but they have a deal and maybe it'll work out.